Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. It's sweet potato planting time in containers today. Stay tuned. So we're using the 27-gallon totes like we did last year, guys. And as you saw, Greg just drilled a hole about maybe an inch or two on one side from the bottom. It looks like it's about a nickel size, maybe a little under a quarter. So we ran down and picked up 4 yards of some planting soil. And this does not have any cow manure in it. We are going with the turkey manure, turkey feathers, and other organic matter. So this year we're going to grow the Georgia Jet and the Beauregard. These all say they come to fruition around 90 days. Last year we experienced probably around 110, but 90 days is great, guys. That's going to put us around the mid to end of July for our harvest. Now last year we planted 2 ways. We used the wicking tubs for some, and then we used tubs without the wicking compartment down in the bottom. We found that without the wicking compartment down at the bottom, we had a higher yield. So this year we're not going to use wicking tubs to grow our sweet potatoes. So last year we grew about 7 tubs, and in those 7 tubs we got right at 35 pounds of sweet potatoes. We had enough dirt to go ahead and fill 9 of the tubs. We'll go tomorrow and get another batch. Now it's time to put our sweet potatoes in the tubs. It's pretty simple, guys. You can see the root system here, so I'm going to bury it about to here in the dirt. So I've gone ahead and I'm putting 3 per tub. Okay, so we got these 9 tubs planted. And why do we choose this method for our sweet potatoes? Number one, our ground out here is just really not good without a lot of modification to grow potatoes or sweet potatoes in the ground. So in the container gardening, we can control the fertilizer, the food. We can watch the plants a little bit better and determine what they may need, what they may not need. And lo and behold, at the end of the season, when it's time to harvest them, it sure is a heck of a lot easier. So now the sweet potatoes are planted. We have some more we need to get in the ground or in the containers tomorrow. We'll have to go get some more dirt and go ahead and fill some more containers. You can see my tomatoes behind me are doing really good. But anyway, wanted to show you guys how we did that. You can get an excellent harvest. So go ahead and get your sweet potatoes going. Take care. God bless. We'll see you more this weekend.